make sure and subscribe, because this place back in here is an old ghost town. What is this place?
When the road just keeps going for miles, we're gonna get there. In the face of the wind and the wild, we're gonna get there.
So the house would have sat, you know, up this high, probably. And there's the fireplace. And then there's a kind of a mantle right up here. So I hope you enjoy this. That is there's the back of the fireplace.
We're gonna get there. Try to let yourself hope like a child. We're gonna get there. We can reach out on the uncertainty.
Down this road where it meets the highway, you can see the old fence. The old fence here that used to block off the road. As a matter of fact, here's the steel pipe that went across. This gives you an idea of how long this road has been abandoned. The size of this stump here where this tree was growing, right in the middle of the road. It's got to be, I imagine that tree had to have been 20, 25 years, 20 years, I would imagine. Looks like it might be alder, so they grow a little faster. The old rhododendron here along the road. That's how you know there was houses here at one time. Here's some nature's carpet for you, JP. And look at this, guys. I find this interesting. It's almost like something was growing, or I should say this grew up against something. It's like perfectly flat. It's like these two trees kind of grew around it. Just back another 100 yards from the old chimney, there's this area here, and you can't see it, but there's a rooftop back there.
I seen these buildings from Google Earth, but had no idea what I was about to find.
You might see the roof right there. Don't see any other way to get there. So make my own trail.
Just keeps going for miles. We're gonna get there. In the face of the wind and the wild, we're gonna get there. Love makes the journey a beautiful race. We're closer to home with each step that we take. We're gonna get there. Take my hand. Together we'll make it. Together we can. To the end. Together we'll make it. Come take my hand. Take a deep breath and rest for
Give you guys a little look from the front. Used to have electrical to it. Whew. This musty smell is overwhelming.
I had to hike back and get the drone just to get a better picture of this place. And wow, I have only scratched the surface. I had to go return home and get Amy and come back that night. So don't miss the next one, guys. It's quite the place.